Myself, Arvind Kumar Dubey. I am working in Government Girls High Secondary, Nagaon, as guest teacher of English. Today, I am going to teach you preposition. So, definition of preposition. Preposition is a word placed before a noun or a pronoun to show its relation with other words in a sentence. Easy. Exempligratia abbreviation is he goes to school. Here, to is preposition because it is used before school. You know, school is noun. Noun is the name of a person, place, or thing. There are three types of preposition. First one, simple preposition. Second, compound preposition. Third one, phrase preposition. So what is phrase? Phrase is a combination of words. For example, lock down. Here lock and down both are used, and makeup is also prepositional phrase. First one, I am going to teach you usage of at. Number one, at is used for small places, villages, or towns. Example is Gandhiji was born at Porbandar in Gujarat. Second, at is used for exact place. Example is she met me at church. Here church is exact place. At is used for exact time. Example is you came at 4 p.m. Here 4 p.m. is exact time. At denotes for progress or weakness. Example is Chaya is good at English. Maya is weak at mathematics. At is also used position at work. Example is the ship is at sea. Clark is at table. For speed, its position is used. He is driving at full speed. Second proposition is to. Number one, destination. He goes to school. Here to is destination. In some words, junior, senior, inferior, superior, prior, prefer, preposition to is used, even if there is comparison between two. I prefer tea to coffee. Wisdom is preferable to wealth. She is senior to me. This cloth is superior to that cloth. In this next, to is used for limit oblique extent from Jhansi to Khajuraho. You read from line 10 to line 20 on page 50. Here three prepositions are used from, to, and on. So to is used for limit oblique extent. Birth to death, 0 to infinity. To is also used for infinitive. To do, to love, to make. Coffee is too hot to take. In for big places, for big cities or capitals, in is used. She was born in England. With respect to place, we are sitting in this room. Next, on. On is used to indicate position of the surface in stable position. For example, there is a book on the table. Up. When we ascend any height, up is used. They went up the mountain. Here, up is used. Since. Since is used to denote time, but point of time. Since plus morning, evening, night, and o'clock. Since plus name of the day, Sunday, Monday, name of the month, name of the year. Since plus birth, marriage, death, arrival, departure. Since plus name of an event. In present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, future perfect continuous, and continuous tense. Since is used to represent point of time. Subject has or have been V1 plus ing plus since or for. So example is I have been teaching since morning. For is used to represent period of time. For plus numeral adjective. And what is numeral adjective? 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. For plus 1, 2, 3, 4, hour, minute, second. For plus 1, 2, 3, 4, minute, day, month, year. For plus a long time. In this way, preposition since and for is used to represent time. Next, between. Between is used to represent the condition between two persons, two things, and two places. Example is, it is between you and me. Switzerland lies between Germany, Italy, and France. There is a coin between two pages. She is standing between two persons. And among is used with plural to indicate position among guests. Both among and among guests are used, but in olden days among guests is used. St is used as suffix in olden days, but nowadays we use among. Next, OF of versus OFF of. OF of shows relation and OFF of shows separation or disconnection. In some phrase, die of and fond of preposition is used. For example, he died of COVID-19. He died of cancer. And OFF of switch off the light, put off your shoes here. Next, during. During is used to represent period of time during lockdown, during Christmas, during journey, during puja, and it is shorter time than for. By means of transport, she is going to school by bicycle. By is used in passive voice. Subject plus helping verb O plus HV plus V3 plus other words plus proposition plus subject. A letter is written by him. By with is used before instrument. We see with our eyes. He painted a picture with brush. Next, into. In plus 2 is equal to into. It is compound preposition. Into is used for change. Translate into English. Ice melts into water. Glass was broken into many pieces. Into is used when something oblique somebody enters with a movement. Into is used. She came into my room, and into is used for involvement. He was involved into anti-social activity. Up plus on is equal to upon. It is also compound preposition. When something or oblique somebody enters with a movement, upon is used. Lion jumped upon cow. With plus out barabar without. Don't go in rain without an umbrella. No admission without permission. In this way, without preposition is used. Into, upon, without. All are compound preposition. Today I have taught you about preposition. Thanks. Okay, see you tomorrow. Tomorrow I will teach you determiners.